how you doing? Today on the menu, Chinese chicken mushrooms. So easy. Get your rice ready. This is delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's get started here. So I've got 100 grams of mushrooms there. Just a regular white fresh mushroom, quartered. 1 onion, I'm using red and it's sliced. Here I've got 1 large chicken breast with no skin and no bone, cut into quite, fairly chunky pieces. Now, if you want, just eyeball these 3. They're about the same, roughly the same. 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or corn flour, which is the same thing. And then let's take a look at these 3. I've got 2 tablespoons of soy. I'm using a light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of mushroom sauce, and 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. That is mushroom sauce. If you don't have that, you could replace it, no problem, by using oyster sauce. That's about it. Let's get started. So the first thing I want to do is I've got my chicken in a slightly larger bowl. I'm going to get that cornstarch or corn flour in there. I've got a glove on. We're going to go in and we're going to mix that. Now this cornstarch is going to help thicken the sauce. If you wanted, you could fry the chicken by itself and then add a slurry of water and cornstarch later. But yeah, I'm doing it this way today. So wok, heat is on quite high. I've got some sunflower oil in there. You can use a different oil if you want. We're going to drop in first our garlic and our ginger. Just a few seconds. It'll really infuse that oil, give it a lovely flavour. Then we're going to drop in the floured chicken. In that goes. We're on a high heat. And very simply, we want to go now for about 4 minutes. Very simply, let's get our onion and drop that in. We're now going to continue for about another 3 minutes, stirring all the time. So easy. Next up, we're going to drop in our mushrooms. I've just quartered these. Like I said, it's like 100 grams or roughly equal parts to the chicken and onion in volume. And again, about another 3 to 4 minutes. Keep this moving, keeping it on a very high maximum heat. And pretty much the last stage, we're going to drop in soy sauce. Like I said, I'm using a light one. You could use a dark if you want. 2 tablespoons. Mushroom sauce or oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon. Fish sauce, a couple of teaspoons. Fish sauce is incredibly strong. Also, is very, very salty. We're not going to be adding any salt to this. We are going to put a generous amount of black pepper in. A little bit of water, just a little touch. 3 or 4 more minutes on the high heat, stirring all the time. You've pretty much done it. Okay, and off goes the heat. And as that just reduced down a little bit, and with the cornstarch from the chicken, you can see the sauce thicken slightly and giving it a nice glaze. Let me get that on the plate. And there you go. It's got some green onions here. Green onion chopped, nice and small, the tops only. Beautiful. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and all that great stuff. You keep safe now. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee. Help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars, or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great. We hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.